सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ 3D म्यूरल पेंटिंग ऑन दिस टाइनिएस्ट कैनवास। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो दीज आर द मटेरियल्स यू विल नीड। मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट। So firstly we'll color the canvas with white base, and then once it's done we'll start applying colors. Here I am using sap green color. So for this DIY you will need any airdry clay. I am using the 1x Fevicryl. It comes with a hardener and resin base, and you just have to mix them together. You can check out this video here. I have already made like a complete detailed video on how you can use clay for making murals. Now follow the process.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. you know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Now once your design is ready, let it dry completely for at least 1 hour. नाउ मैं क्ले के ड्राई होने के बाद इस पे वाइट कलर का कोट अप्लाई करूँगी एंड वंस दैट इज़ डन आई विल फाइनली स्टार्ट यूजिंग माई एक्रेलिक कलर्स. मैं हर छोटी छोटी डिटेल को ऐड करूँगी एंड इस पेंटिंग को जल्दी से कंप्लीट करूँगी. This looks so damn pretty. Now finally we'll apply varnish and it's done. Let me know in the comments कि आपको कैसे लगी ये पेंटिंग. And for more such videos चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले एंड बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूले ताकि आप मेरे एक भी वीडियोस मिस ना करें. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.